Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off taxes here in Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning off taxes on Shopify is a straightforward process that can be done for various business or regulatory reasons. For example, if you sell digital products like ebooks or software in regions where they aren't taxed, you may want to disable taxes for those specific items. And for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and hover to the settings on the bottom left corner. I'm going to zoom it in so you can guys see it. I'm gonna click on settings. Once you're here, I want you to hover to where it says taxes and duties. Click on it. Just wait for it to load. And from here, now once you are here, I need you to hover down below where you can see the global settings. That includes sales tax and product price and shipping rates. Alright, so if this is selected, alright, you may want to deselect that. Okay, after doing so, all I have to do is click on save. And after saving that, I need you to hover to your online store. This step is very important because from here, now I want you to hover to the themes, go to the customize, and there's going to be a 3 dots option here. I want you to click on the edit default theme content. Just wait for it to load, and then now on the filter items, I want you to type in shipping calculated and press enter. All right. Now, what will happen is we need to go to the cart section and remove all the content here. What I wanted to do is instead put in free shipping. That's going to be like that. And I want you to click on save. All right. Now, doing so will beneficial for ensuring compliance with a law, tax, simplifying international sales. You can accommodate special customer segments or supporting tax-free promotions, but be sure to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're meeting all of the legal requirements for your business and region. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.